Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Bhalji. Question number 1. The most reduced form of carbon is A. O2, B. CO2, C. H2, D. CH4. The answer is D. CH4. Question number 2. The most oxidized form of carbon is A. O2, B. CO2, C. H2, D. CH4. The answer is B. CO2. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a function of lipids? A. DNA replication. B. Storing energy. C. Signaling. D. Acting as structural components of cell membranes. The answer is A. DNA replication. Question number 4. Which of the following is not an allotrope of carbon? A. Diamond. B. Graphite. C. Coal. D. Buckminster-Furan. The answer is C. Coal. Question number 5. The molecular geometry of CH4 is A. Linear. B. Tetrahedral. C. Trigonal planar. D. T-shaped. The answer is B. Tetrahedral. Question number 6. The molecular geometry of ZeF2 is A. Linear. B. Tetrahedral. C. Trigonal planar. D. T-shaped. The answer is A. Linear. Question number 7. If 4.0 grams of a gas occupies 11.2 L at 0.0 degrees Celsius and 0.25 atmosphere, then the molecular mass of the gas is A. 24 grams. B. 32 grams. C. 40 grams. D. 48 grams. The answer is D. 48 grams. Question number 8. Analysis of white light by dispersing it with a prism is an example of A. Photochemistry. B. Spectroscopy. C. Thermochemistry. D. Surface science. The answer is B. Spectroscopy. Question number 9. What is the chemical equation CH4 plus 2O2 right pointing arrow? A. CO2 plus O2 2H2. B. CO2 plus 2H2O. C. C plus O2 plus 2H2O. D. None of these. The answer is B. CO2 plus 2H2O. Question number 10. The reaction of nitrogen dioxide with water yields A. HNO2 only. B. HNO3 only. C. HNO2 and no. D. HNO3 and no. The answer is D. HNO3 and no. Question number 11. Which chemical compound is represented by the following structure? A. Glucose. B. Benzene. C. Hydrocarbon. D. Amino acid. The answer is B. Benzene. Question number 12. The hardest known natural mineral is A. Diamond. B. Graphite. C. Cobalt. D. Tungsten. The answer is A. Diamond. Question number 13. Which of the following has the highest ionization energy? A. Na. B. Mg. C. D. Cl. The answer is C. Question number 14. The aqueous solutions are solutions where the solvent is A. Acetone. B. Toluene. C. Water. D. Tetrachloroethylene. The answer is C. Water. Question number 15. In chemistry, pH stands for A. Power of hydrogen. B. Position of hydrogen. C. Power of hydrocarbon. D. Position of hydrocarbon. The answer is A. Power of hydrogen. Question number 16. The elements in group 1A of the periodic table are known as A. Alkanes. B. Alkenes. C. Alkali metals. D. Halogens. The answer is C. Alkali metals. Question number 17. Acid rain is caused by emissions of undisco in the atmosphere. A. Sulfur dioxide. B. Sulfur and charcoal. C. Nitrogen oxides and potassium nitrate. D. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. The answer is D. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Question number 18. Worldwide, about 90% of urea production goes into A. Agriculture. B. Industry. C. Defense. D. Transportation. The answer is A. Agriculture. Question number 19. Urea is produced commercially in vast amounts from A. Ammonia and carbon dioxide. B. Ammonia and oxygen. C. Nitrogen and carbon dioxide. D. Nitrogen and oxygen. The answer is A. Ammonia and carbon dioxide. Question number 20. Petroleum is a fossil fuel that is a mixture of many A. Salts. B. Hydrocarbons. C. Hydroxides. D. Acids. The answer is B. Hydrocarbons.